Welcome to Buy Kitchen Online, where we design kitchens that don't just look great, they actually work for you. Now, most kitchens you see out there, they're standard, with soft closed drawers. Nice, but not exactly innovative.
And here's the thing. With a standard kitchen, you're losing space every day. Cabinets that don't reach the ceiling, that's wasted storage. Cluttered counters, no built-in organisation. And those half-empty shelves, total missed potential.
Oh, and let's talk price. Big national retailers charge a premium for, well, average. But here's the good news. Buy Kitchen Online delivers best quality, more storage, more customization, and better prices. Why stop at better when you can have the best at an affordable price? So what happens when we stop compromising? We take that standard kitchen and maximize it. Are you also tired of wasted space in the kitchen? We have a solution for all your problems. Worried about price, quality, value? Buy Kitchen Online has got you covered. Introducing Bespoke Max Storage Kitchens.
First, we stretch those cabinets all the way up, no more dead space above. Then we add smarter shelves, deeper drawers, and clever organisers so everything has its place. And the best part, you're in control. Need extra pull-out trays? Easy. This isn't a one-size-fits-all kitchen, it's yours.
At Buy Kitchen Online, we have thicker doors than anywhere else.
So why settle for a kitchen that looks nice but doesn't work for you?
Upgrade to a Max Storage Kitchen today at
Want unlimited colour options? Done.
Fine. More space, smarter design, better price. Let's make your dream kitchen happen.
Contact us now.